Hello Riya, I am Sakar from Jipper.
Sakar? I can't exactly remember.
How strange. You have forgotten your best friend. It's Siku.
Siku? The naughty boy teasing me, dirty girl.
Exactly. Now you remember.
How are you, Sakar?
Fine now. And what about you?
I am also fine.
Where have you been all these days?
Now I am a citizen of USA.
In which city?
Los Angeles. We are doing business there.
How are your parents?
They are no more, Sakar.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear this. How is your life going on?
Me? I have got married. I have 2 children. A son and a daughter. Tell me yours.
I have got a job in a good company. I have married the owner's daughter. I also have 2 children. A son and a daughter.
Oh, it's good. Very nice talking to you after a long time.
Me too.
Someone is calling, Sakar. I'll call you later.
Okay, Riya. Bye.
Bye-bye.